welcome back to my channel, All Things Yazz. I hope you guys are safe and well. In today's video, I thought it'd be fun to show you my everyday 10-minute makeup look. Quick note, I am looking after my mum's old dog, Susie, and she hasn't really been in my bedroom before, so she's kind of just wandering my island aimlessly. So if you hear a lot of pitter-pattering, I do apologise. Yeah, she just doesn't know where to settle, bless her. But yes, let's get on to this. This has become a very quick routine for me. I know exactly what I'm doing, mainly because of this palette, which I highly recommend you guys getting. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Look in a palette. It has a bronzer, a blusher and a highlighter, as well as 3 eyeshadows. It's something that I carry in my handbag all the time. If it focuses, there you go. I absolutely love it. I use it all the time to top up my makeup throughout the day, and it just makes my everyday routine really quick and simple because it's all in one palette. So without further ado, let's jump into it and kick off with tinted moisturiser. That is my go-to at the moment, and the one I've been loving is the Laura Mercier tinted moisturiser, the oil-free one, and I've got the shade Natural 2W3. I put about a pea-size amount, about that much, and then I just use my hands and rub that all in. I always think it looks horrendous when you put it on with your hands, but I do have a trick to make it look really nice. And I normally do this after I put on moisturiser or my skincare for the day as well. So I then take, this brush is from Zoeva and it's just a buffer brush. I got it in a set, and I just use that to buff that into the skin. Next, concealer, and this is the Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS. I've been loving this. This is in the shade Medium 1 Custard. For this, I like to use my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Collection brush. I love this. This end is perfect for applying concealer. Next, to set the face, I use my Charlotte Tilbury, what's it called, Airbrush Flawless Finish in the shade 2. Big fluffy brush from Zoeva, and I just pack that on like so. Next, we're into the Instant Look palette, and I'm going to go into that bronzer using the same fluffy brush, if I can ever say that, to contour my cheeks, jaw and forehead. And I really like a bronzed nose, so I'm just going to take that on the nose. Same brush into the blusher. Again, I quite like the blusher on the tip of my nose. And a little bit on my forehead just to get a bit more colour into my face. Next, onto the highlighter, just a very fluffy brush I have, again from Zoeva, and taking that a little bit on the nose and the bridge of the nose, and then just to highlight those cheekbones. And the Cupid's bow. Next, I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to do them off camera because I can't do them on camera. I've tried before. But these are the products that I use. These are from Benefit Precisely My Brow. Looks like this and like that. This is in the shade 3.5, and then I set that with the 24-hour setting spray, also from Benefit. So I'm going to quickly do that off camera and then come back to you. Okay, brows are on and set. The next thing that I like to do is dip back into this palette, and I'm going to go into the bronzer with an eyeshadow brush. This is Luxe Crease from Zoever, just a nice rounded edge, fluffy brush. I'm going to take that bronzer, I'm going to take it, I know sometimes take it in the crease, but today I just feel like I need a bit more colour on my face, so I'm going to take it all over the lid. I'm going to take a smaller brush now, and I think again this is from Zoever, just a smaller little brush just for my lower lash line, again with that bronzer. And I just think that ties the eyes together nicely. And lastly, I don't wear a lot of liner because my eyes water, I know. So I just put on mascara at this point. If I was going out on a night out, I probably would put a bit of liner on. But just for an everyday look, I don't normally. So my mascara that I've been loving at the moment is Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. I love the bristles on it. They're great for separating those lashes. I'm going to quickly curl them. I don't normally do the lower lash just because I feel like it looks like your eyes are so much more awake when you just do the top lash. And the final step to this 10-minute everyday makeup look is a Bobbi Brown lip tint, and this one is Bare Pink Sparkle. It's really nice, it just adds a little colour to my makeup routine. Makeup look. Who doesn't love a pop of pink? And there we have it. That is my 10-minute everyday makeup look. Comment down below what you think, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.